Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an evil teddy bear. It's going to be simple, easy, and totally for beginners, alright? So follow along with me. It's going to be a short lesson. Really short, like 5-10 minutes. Alright, so first thing I do here, I draw a straight line across. Across here. Down. Down. Down here at the front. Curve. Over here on this side. Curve. Alright. Sides of the mouth. I go over here, draw a circle. Circle. For those button eyes. And in the circle here, I'm going to curve right there and then fill in like the bottom half to leave a highlight. Go over here, curve, do the same thing on that side. So now at the bottom here, I'm going to go over here and draw like a tooth down. It's going to be kind of a upside down triangular shape. Like so. Just a bunch of them pulling down here for the tongue, for the open mouth, and then down here I'm going to draw the bottom teeth, which will be relatively much the same as the other ones except upside down, right? And you're just kind of doing this random sizes, curve underneath. Down over here on the right side here, down over here on the left, then curve underneath. Over here on the left side, up, right. Over here on this side, up, left. Curve along the top. Curve here for the ear. Curve here for that other ear, alright? Gonna do the same thing. I have a curve line here. Don't forget, hit that like button right now to kind of have, daily art drawings and keep the channel alive. You got to hit that like. Yeah, if you do like it, hit that like button. And then I have another circle on the inside here. I'm going to put like almost like a heart shape in the middle of that mouth, but really it's going to be the tongue. And I'm going to fill in everything around it. Right there. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw the body right now a little bit. A little bit of the body. Out, out. Going to go over here. Teddy bear arm. Over here on this side. Out. Same thing. Teddy bear arm. Downward. Downward. And I'm going to draw a curve here for the foot. Up. Cross. Curve over here. Gonna go here below this. Circle. Line over here at the edge. Going here on this side, curve, curve. And the last thing I usually do, is I kind of give a thick line around the outer edge like that, just on the outer side, like a silhouette. I like throwing a thicker line, and it gives it a little bit more dynamic, a little bit. It gives it more like a sticker look, so I like that. Over here on this side as well. I'm just gonna do it all the way around the outside. Alright, there you go. That is an evil teddy bear. I hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully you had a fun time. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will talk to you guys in the next video, and I will see you really, really soon, okay? Let me know what you think. And yeah, see you soon. Later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.